welcome back to my channel. Yeah! So basically, I know I've been gone for so long and have not been on here filming my looks and stuff whatsoever. So hi, I'm here. Y'all like my new look? I'm giving you egg realness. I took that off. I look like an egghead. Hopefully I am in focus. Wait, let me wear my glasses for a second, see if I'm in focus. Okay, yes, I am in focus. For those who are new to my channel, hey, my name is Adrian. Nice to meet you. That's enough. I'm kidding. Basically, I upload makeup tutorials and y'all know the gig, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below, and like this video, and please ring that bell thingy right here. But I already did my eyes, my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how do I feminize my face. Feminize. Basically, it's gonna be a chit chat video too, so we'll get, and I'll be using some new products. I'm using the Smashbox color correcting stick. It works wonders. Basically, it counters out the green tone under my beard. And after you're done blending it out, I like to set it with powder. This is like a no-no rule, but you know what? It works wonders with my skin. Okay, perfect, right? It's done? Okay, cool. Makeup is so messy. Next, I will be using a new product. It's called the Makeupforever Ultra HD Stick Foundation. I like to have full coverage on my beard area. My beard area. My nose. Oh! Oh! Look at how dewy this foundation makes my skin look. So flawless. Damn, yeah. I love you so much. You're better than my ex. Okay. Reshaping my face by using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. It right here. A little bit of chocolate doesn't hurt nobody, honey. I like me some chocolate. This part is really messy. I really want my cheekbone to pop. And you're done. So now we're going to blend everything out, and we all know that takes a really long time. So I'm gonna do half of my face off camera, and then we'll be right back. Okay, honey? But can we just take a second and look at my foundation though? It's so flipping dewy. This is really good. I love dewy foundation. I like real skin foundation. I don't like cakiness. I really don't like cakiness because I have dry skin. This makes me pop. Once you're done blending everything out with a translucent powder, I use the Laura Mercier powder, and basically I like to just set the under eyes first. So as you guys can see, I already did half of my face off camera to save time. So this is how I sculpt my cheeks with powder. Do my forehead a lot, and I just pat. When I look like this, honey, look at that. Bow, bow, bow. Now, y'all ladies can skip this part because y'all just don't really need this harsh line. My face seems pretty powdery. I'm gonna fix that by using the Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Hopefully. Look how dewy it looks. Yes. I'm gonna be testing a new highlighter, and it's the Anastasia Amoresi highlighter. Y'all see that? Oh my god! It's shine though. I look so sexy today. Yes. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go fix my eyeshadow and everything with full glam. Okay? Okay. Just highlight on point, but I really am not feeling the lips. Probably gonna change it up right after this. I look like an egghead right now, but oh, I'm back. Color makes me look cute. This highlight, it's everything. So happy that I finally had the time to actually film how I sculpt my face. You guys learned some few makeup tips. You know, I'm not perfect. I'm still learning makeup. Makeup is fun. Makeup is life. Get into it, honey. Yeah, my wig, honey. My wig, honey. I'll see you guys next time with a new makeup tutorial. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll post my links here. I am more active on my Instagram, so hit me up. Comment this video, like this video, and share this video, please. It helps me a lot. And thank you so much for the people who are subscribing to me. I love you. I really do. I really do love you. I need to stop. Anyway, I'm going to fix my hair, my wig. Bye. I love you. Always slay and stay fierce.